Hello students, let's continue our lesson Galileo in this video. 8th paragraph. Some 50 years earlier, a Polish astronomer called Copernicus had declared that the Earth was a planet like the other planets and that like them it revolved around the sun. Copernicus could not, however, prove this to the men of his day, and few people paid any great attention to his idea. So, before Galileo's period, some 50 years earlier, Polish astronomer Copernicus, he discovered that Earth is also a planet, and like all other planet, it is also revolving around the sun, like that he discovered. Okay, Polish means from the country Poland. Okay, so Poland people are called Polish. Okay, so he also found how Galileo found, but in his days nobody was ready to accept it. They thought Copernicus was a fool to tell that Earth is revolving around the sun. So nobody believed his words. Galileo was the first great student of astronomy to realize that the ideas of Copernicus were true, and the first scholar to begin to teach them at the university. His new teaching caused great excitement among the learned men because it meant that all their teaching was completely wrong. So, Copernicus' discovery was understandable to Galileo because Galileo was also in the same idea and he can understand what Galileo thought. Okay, he felt that it is true and he started to teach. Okay, he was working in the university only, no? So he started to teach others what he discovered. Okay, but even the learned men, even who are educated, they are not accepting with Galileo's discovery. Okay, so because they felt what they were teaching so long, what they learned so long, it was completely wrong, like that Galileo have proposed. So they didn't accept with Galileo. Now let's continue. They began to oppose him and many of them became his enemies. Then he got into trouble with the church. His idea about the sun and the earth were different from that the Bible seemed to say. So the followers of the church began to look upon him as a wicked and dangerous man. So this idea was not acceptable. So this made people to become Galileo's enemy. Okay, because of that he was in trouble with the church. Okay, church means those authorities who are there with the church, and they have the belief with the Bible, and what Galileo's idea was totally different from that of the Bible. Okay, so they thought Galileo as a wicked and dangerous man because he is teaching something different from them. Okay, so they thought he was a dangerous man. The church had in those days a court called the Inquisition, which tried and punished those that it considered unbelievers. Okay, so from the church itself they had one more court like. Okay, how people used to gather and they used to hear about any complaints, like that they have a court like structure. So that is called Inquisition, and they started to inquire Galileo's matter. Okay, so they asked him and they want to punish him. Okay, because his idea is against the Bible. That's the main reason. Galileo was asked to appear before this court. He was questioned about his beliefs and was asked to kneel and declare that he no longer believed that the earth moved around the sun. Okay, so they questioned Galileo. They called Galileo to the court and they questioned Galileo, okay, about his idea, his beliefs, everything they asked, and they asked him to kneel down. Okay, kneeling down means, you know, right, standing with the knees. Okay, so he was made to kneel down and declare means confirm and tell, okay, that no longer that earth moved around the sun. Okay, he want to say that earth is not moving around the sun. He want to say in the court. He knew that if he refused to make this declaration, he might be put in prison and perhaps tortured. As he feared torture, Galileo obeyed their order. There is a story that as he rose from his knees after this public declaration, he whispered to himself, "But still, it does move." The court ordered Galileo not to teach these wicked ideas anymore. Galileo knew that if he refused to their order, the court's order, if he refused, he will be put in prison and he will be tortured also. So fearing the torture and imprisonment, Galileo obeyed them. Okay, so what they asked to say, like that Galileo said. But while getting up, what he said, like a murmuring, okay, whispered means murmuring. In a low voice, he is telling to himself, but still it does. Okay, they want to say, Galileo to say that earth is not at all revolving around the sun. But while he declared like that, but while getting up, he said, but it does move. Okay, if he declares also, but that's not true. It revolves around the sun. Like that he declared. Like that he murmured to himself. Okay. Then next paragraph. But Galileo did not obey the church orders for long. He continued his studies and after a time started teaching his ideas again. Besides, he wrote a book in which he criticized the old beliefs. When the book came out, the Inquisition once again ordered him to appear before it to be tried as a non-believer. After a long trial, he was sent to prison. But as he was now an old man, he was allowed to go home 22 days later. So, after that, Galileo did not obey the church order for a long time. Okay, what's their order? Their order was to stop Galileo from teaching that earth revolves around the sun. Okay, but he didn't stop that. He started with his studies, and he started teaching his own same ideas only. He didn't change anything else. Okay, so he wrote a book also about his discovery. Okay, he criticized means finding fault. Okay, criticized means that's the meaning. Finding fault in old ideas. What people till now believe, that and all wrong. Like that he criticized. But after the book was published, the Inquisition again they called him for the trial. Tried means trial. Trial means, you know, right? They will call for the people to come to the court and they will inquire, and after confirming their guilt, they will give punishment. That's called trial. Okay, here tried in that meaning only it's given. Tried as a non-believer. Non-believer of what? Non-believer of Bible. Okay, he didn't accept with the Bible ideas. He is telling his own idea. So, they want to make a trial for that and punish him. For that they called. Okay, after a long trial, he was sent to prison. Okay, he was sent to jail. Prison meaning is jail. He was sent to jail, but as that time itself he was a very old man. So, he was not made to stay in prison for a long time. Only he stayed there for 22 days. Later, he was sent home. Okay, there ends this lesson. Okay, you have to read the lesson. Read the lesson completely and learn the glossaries given at the back of the lesson. Thank you, children.